Mao ni restaurant among gikauna no.
Solid.
Famous kuno diri. Famous.
Basari.
Diba? Na Tibasari Resto Bar and Lounge. Let's go. Okay, all right. Next destination now. Okay, let's go. Okay, punta namin sa among next destination, which is the coffee tasting, is it?
Yeah, coffee
okay.
tasting.
Still can
Coffee
see the
tasting.
sunset, right? If we...
Yeah, we still have time. Yeah, see, we still have time.
Okay.
Awa guys, daghan kay butong. Butong ba ni siya? Is silin nabi na butong. Okay, this is a tree agro sata.
Yeah.
Coffee tasting sata dere.
Yeah. Coffee tasting.
So,
Famous place
famous
in
place.
Bali.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Satria Luwak Coffee.
Yeah,
Okay.
we need to only until 4 p.m. So you budget the time 4 p.m.
We have vanilla and ginseng here. So many
Coffee free.
coffee trees here. Actually, last time we have coffee also. Cacao. Cacao tree. See, like the kanlumampaw.
Cannot eat directly.
Mangustin, unay mangustin oh. Bokashi. Masa ni siya?
Pusta.
Oh. Oh, vanilla also have here. Oh, yeah. Hello.
No, luwak.
Luwak.
Oh. Yeah, we tried in Vietnam. But we didn't
Okay,
see the...
please do not touch. This is the luwak.
That's the luwak.
Oh, luwak. This is the... Okay. Okay, here. Asama ta? This is the coffee seeds. No, coffee seeds. Oh, here.
I'm so excited to see.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Roasting Manila.
Yeah.
And then this is the way we process. 1
Oh.
kilo is 1 hour.
Smell it.
You used to drink coffee?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
See the ingredients that...
And this is the ingredients.
1.5.
Oh, you have the
Some spices.
some spice.
Oh.
Oh, from cooking. Okay. Alright. Kapi ay. Okay. Sure. Thank you. Sita diri. And there's a isda. Famous po kunin din hiyo. Ari mo diri sa coffee tasting. Coffee tasting. Ano? Ito kanto dito. Dili napita guys. Kaya nagkalingaw na mi diri ko an guys. Take picture. Ready, 1, 2. Okay. Na, diyan na. Kami tayo. Lain yung mga flavor guys.
Oh my God. But it's so nice. Where did you get this?
Puro lamig. Like, klase ni.
You have to balik it na din.
What's this? Ayaw, lamig kayo.
Ginger tea. It's very strong.
Very strong. Okay, try more.
Avocado. What's the avocado?
But this one, what is this?
Nasa sila si Kwate guys.
What is this?
Kwate guys.
Aritas din
Si Kwate guys. Photo na nakuha
may
guys.
ginseng diri.
Pero ginseng kay makapa.
Ginseng na. Dari tas ginseng kaya pautog ni guys. Sorry guys.
Ano para na ko color para na to.
Nalingaw na sila guys. Dara ang luwak. This is the luwak coffee. Yeah, ang ilang luwak.
Oh my gosh.
Katong iti sa
Iti sa pusa.
nakat. Luwak. We try.
Oh, this one is the best. Coconut.
Too hot.
Cheers.
Grabe oh. Try. Very strong.
Strong.
Strong and hot.
That's why I told you. Pero lamig.
Lami. Luwak. One is famous here in Bali, Indonesia. I think whole Indonesia, I think. Right.
Very strong.
Very strong.
But very nice.
Luwak coffee, if you stare, you need to wait until how many
Nag-stir na
seconds?
sabi mo.
How many seconds you wait?
Minutes.
Minutes? Ha?
30 seconds.
Ha? 3? 30 seconds.
30
Okay.
seconds.
Half a minute. Alright. Napadyo na ang mga luwak. Mga naiitis ako iti atong ilaga. Luwak.
Ay, wala na iti.
Oh,
Ilan
dili,
naman ang
dili.
gilimpihan.
Ay, limpiwan dahil.
Ilan naman ang
Mga ni ilang luwak. Luwak. Luwak.
Get a new cat every week.
Oh. Okay. Arimi sa ilang shop. Arimi sa ilang shop, guys. Coffee shop. Okay, harao. Ilang shop, oh. Grabe ang ilang shop. Coffee. Grabe din yung mga shop dyan. Kaghan ng klase-klase aning ko klase-klaseng coffee. Grabe. Okay. Yeah, dere. Na. Exit na mi guys. Right here. Okay, thank you. Yeah, where's Odi? Ah, Odi's here? Oh. Okay, go. Go inside. Okay, next stop to Jinmaran. ano?
Jimbaran.
Okay.
Sunset.
Sunset dinner there.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you, Abang. Thank you, Abang. Abang. Meron ang mga rice nga gipang harvest na. Sa kanumampaw. Sa kanumampaw. Coffee tasting.
Testing the
That place. Dara ang mga humayo nga gipang ani na daray.
Nasa mga humay.
May gipang ani na. Oops, there's a